Welcome. If you're a Pinterest user who loves sharing your ideas and creations, you probably want to know when someone saves your pins. Getting notified instantly can help you engage with your audience better and track which pins are resonating the most. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure you get notified every time someone saves one of your pins. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where all your pins and boards live. Next, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can customize how Pinterest keeps you updated on activities related to your account. Under the notifications menu, you'll see a section labeled Pins You Published. Tap on Saves right there. This is the key setting that controls notifications about your pins being saved by others. Now, to make sure you don't miss any updates, find the option that says, "How do you want to be notified?" Here, toggle on the push notifications. This setting will send real-time alerts directly to your device whenever someone saves your pin. It's a great way to stay connected and respond quickly if needed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're all set to receive notifications whenever your pins get saved. This update makes it easier than ever to keep track of your Pinterest engagement without constantly checking your profile manually. So, remember, open the app, go to your profile, tap your profile picture, head to notifications, select Saves under Pins You Published, and toggle on Push Notifications. Following these steps ensures you stay in the loop and can grow your Pinterest presence more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!